For millennia, the stars were a distant, unyielding mystery. Our solar system, a familiar island in an ocean of darkness. But what truly lies beyond its familiar shores? What unseen forces shape the vast cosmic ocean just outside our protective bubble? NASA's veteran probes, launched decades ago, have become our distant eyes. And their recent transmissions have painted a picture far more intriguing, and perhaps more unsettling, than we ever dared to imagine. Our journey begins with two legendary explorers, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. Launched in 1977, these robotic emissaries were designed to explore the outer planets. But their mission evolved. They became silent sentinels, hurtling ever deeper into the void, tasked with an even grander ambition: to leave our solar system entirely. To become the first objects built by humanity to venture into the true interstellar medium. Our solar system isn't just planets orbiting a sun. It's encased in a colossal magnetic bubble, inflated by the sun's constant outpouring of charged particles. The solar wind. This bubble, called the heliosphere, is our shield, protecting us from the harsh radiation and cosmic rays of interstellar space. For billions of miles, it's our cosmic safe zone. But what happens where this protective bubble ends? Where the solar wind finally gives way? After decades of silent travel, the Voyagers reached this ultimate boundary. Voyager 1 crossed into interstellar space in 2012. Voyager 2 followed in 2018. They weren't just leaving the solar system, they were stepping into a new realm. A realm where the sun's influence dramatically wanes, and the true character of our galactic neighborhood begins to assert itself. What they found there immediately baffled scientists. Even before crossing the final threshold, the Voyagers detected strange phenomena. Giant magnetic bubbles, churning near the outer edges of the heliosphere. A surprise. Then, at the heliopause itself, an unexpected increase in pressure. The invisible forces at play were far more dynamic and chaotic than predicted. Our cosmic neighborhood's fence was not a smooth, gentle transition. It was a turbulent, energetic borderland. But the most astonishing, and perhaps chilling, discovery was yet to come. At the very edge of our solar system, where sunlight fades into darkness, Voyager detected a mysterious region. A thin shell of superheated plasma. Scientists called it a plasma wall, a Kelvin wall, or even a wall of fire. It marked the heliopause, the point where the solar wind loses its strength. And the temperature within this wall? Blistering. Scorching. Far hotter than anticipated. Estimates placed it between 30,000 and 50,000 Kelvin. To put that into perspective, the surface of our Sun is around 5,778 Kelvin. This wall, a mere boundary, was registering temperatures nearly 10 times that. A furnace, lurking at the final frontier of our cosmic home. A wall of fire at 50,000 Kelvin sounds catastrophic. Destructive. But the Voyagers were unharmed. This is the paradox. Despite the extreme heat, the particle density within this plasma wall is incredibly low. It's like standing in a vast room with a few extremely hot embers. The individual particles are superheated, but there aren't enough of them to transfer that heat efficiently or cause damage. Still, the sheer existence of such a phenomenon is perplexing. This wall is where the solar wind, the very breath of our Sun, finally crashes, colliding with the interstellar medium. This is the cosmic equivalent of waves hitting a shore. An invisible, energetic barrier. It's a dynamic, churning region, far from the quiet boundary once theorized. And it raises profound questions about the nature of our galactic environment. What immense forces create such an extreme interface? But the Voyagers aren't our only scouts. New Horizons, though not yet in interstellar space, is exploring the uncharted territories just beyond Neptune, in the Kuiper Belt. It's giving us a glimpse into the realms that immediately precede this wall. And it too is uncovering strange new worlds. Worlds that defy our previous understanding of cosmic formation. One such anomaly, the discovery of a thin atmosphere around a tiny celestial body in the outer solar system. An object previously thought too small to support one. A planet beyond Pluto, found with something that shouldn't exist. These trans-Neptunian objects are rewriting the map of our cosmic neighborhood, hinting at processes, or conditions, we simply don't understand yet. And then there's the tantalizing possibility of Planet 9. Scientists believe something massive is out there, perhaps 5 to 10 times the size of Earth, subtly influencing the orbits of distant objects. Its gravitational footprints are undeniable, yet the planet itself remains hidden. Another colossal mystery, waiting in the deep, cold darkness beyond our known solar system. Even Voyager 1, decades into interstellar space, continues to puzzle engineers. It has been sending back strange, unreadable data. Mysterious data from beyond. What could be causing these glitches? Is it the extreme environment of interstellar space, pushing the limits of our technology? Or something else? The silence, punctuated by these anomalous signals, only deepens the enigma of the cosmic frontier. These discoveries, from a scorching wall of fire to hidden planets and impossible atmospheres, are just our first steps beyond our cosmic neighborhood. They paint a picture of a universe that is vast beyond comprehension, hostile in its extremes, and utterly indifferent to our presence. The sheer scale is terrifying. And what we have found so far is merely the beginning of understanding the true nature of the unknown. The wall of fire and the anomalous worlds beyond are not just scientific curiosities. They are cosmic signposts. Reminders that our understanding is constantly evolving, perpetually challenged by the universe itself. What other walls, what other impossible phenomena, lie in wait? The answers will only come by daring to push further. By listening intently to the faint signals from the edge. The frontier beckons.